Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can start an oval bottom. I made 10 chain stitches, but I did not use normal chain stitches. I did the long tail foundation base chain. I will add a link to a video in the top right corner and in the description. The advantage of this chain stitch is that you have 2 loops on both sides of the hook. Here you see 2 loops. And here you see 2 loops. To start the bottom, I'm gonna add 2 yarns. In the next round I will add another 2 yarns. I'm going to crochet 3 stitches over these yarns, the same way you do when you make a buttonhole. Then I'm going to insert the hook in the first stitch of the chain. The starting yarns out of the way and crochet over the yarns. As you can see, it is really messy right now. I'm going to pull the yarns I carry to make it look better. I'm going to let the starting yarns hang out so I can adjust it from both sides. Then I'm going to insert a stitch marker in the first stitch. And now I will make 1 stitch in every chain stitch. Now it all looks really round. That is because I did not pull the yarns yet. You can also see them in the back. Hold it and then gently pull the yarns to get it straight again. Now the other corner. Again, 3 stitches around the yarns. Pull them a little. And then I'm gonna crochet on the other side of the chain. I will do 2 stitches and then I will adjust the yarns again. And then I will make 1 stitch in every chain stitch. Now I'm going to adjust the yarns again. I'm gonna get the stitch marker out because it's in the way a bit. When you are certain it all looks good, you can cut these 2 starting yarns, not the starting yarn of the chain, because you'll have to weave that in. These 2 we can cut, so there's less yarns in the way. Then we're gonna do the next round. going to add 2 more yarns. And now I will make an increase in the first 3 stitches. And I'm gonna insert the hook in the back loop. Adjusting the yarns again. And I will insert my stitch marker. Now I will make 10 stitches on the long side. And adjusting the yarns again. When you're making a full-size bottom, you will adjust the yarns every 10 stitches, and after every corner. When the corner gets bigger, you adjust the stitches halfway the corner also. Now I'm gonna make increases again, 3 increases in these 3 stitches. And 10 more stitches on the other side. Adjusting the yarns. You still see the blue in the back. Try to pull them a little more. And when you're sure the starting yarns don't need to be pulled again, you can cut them off. And again, don't cut the red one off. You need to sew that in later. I will crochet 1 round off camera. I will make 6 increases on both sides, and then I will be back. I crocheted 1 more round. I did 6 increases on each side. I put in some extra markers at the start point of the rounding and at the end point, and also on this side the start and the end of the rounding. Then it is easier to know where to start the increases. The green marker is where the round starts. That's why I chose the different colors. From here on you do 6 increases in each rounding. So in the next round you do increase 1 single crochet, increase 1 single crochet, and also on this side. Next round you will do an increase and then 2 single crochet and then an increase again. You can adjust the size of an oval bottom by making a longer chain or by adding more rounds. Thank you for watching.